Yo, what is going on, you guys? Miraman Films here, back at it again with another tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to do this.
Man, I got big plans and they hold me up like a kickstand. Skillet hold me down like a 6-man. I got hella content, only fans. Crazy life, that's bull whipping. I ain't got time for the bullshit. I need one mic and a pool.
So to achieve this effect, you're going to need 3 things. 1, an editing software. 2, anything to record with. And 3, the song. So the first thing that you're going to do is drag the song into the timeline and slow it down by 50%. Once you have slowed the song down, you're going to export it and save it to your phone and take it with you to your shoot and have the artist perform at a slower pace. And I know that's going to be awkward at first because a lot of us don't do things on a slower pace. It's just awkward and weird. So just give them some time to adjust and let them get comfortable. Make sure that their lips match up to whatever they're saying on the track. So when you do record, everything's going to be the same. 24 frames per second, 1080p or 4K, whatever you prefer. And once you get your footage, you're going to take that footage and take it back into your timeline and line it up with the track, and there you have it. So that is it for this tutorial. It was super quick, simple, and easy. I hope this tutorial helps you in your shoots, and I hope it helps you guys just get creative with it and do whatever you feel like. Show me the projects that you're working on and that you're gonna do this effect on. That'd be super cool. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below because it helps the channel grow. Also leave a comment down below on what else you'd like to see me do tutorials on. My goal here is to share the knowledge that I know, and hopefully it'll benefit you guys. Thanks for watching. That is it for this video. Peace.
Yeah, whoa. I live in the Matrix. Yeah.